You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me. So don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not into comments, but faces pulling your mind away. And how this from me? But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me in my desire? That you're my destiny. Like the stars, say I made you mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't they rewrite the stars? Maybe the Lord could be ours tonight. You think it is easy? You think I don't wanna run to you? But there are mountains, and there are doors that you can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to be just you and me. We're in this far, but then we gotta sigh. You gotta wake up to see that it was hopeless after all. What can you like the stars? How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we can be, how can we rewrite the stars? The world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It's just impossible. See it impossible. Keep us apart, 'cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. And why don't we rewrite the stars? What could be ours? You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide, but I can have you. We're going to break in my hands.